So today is the 14th of February, it's Valentine's Day, so let's talk about knobs. If you don't know what a knob is, well, I'm talking about the gear knob, but in Britain it's also used as slang for, a gentleman's sausage. Yeah, it's not very sophisticated humour on this channel, but anyway, if there's anything in a car that does not last the life of the car, if that car is taken care of and it lasts a long time, and that's the gear knob, because few things are grabbed, shoved, pulled, twisted. I think I'm going a bit too far with these verbs, but yeah, this is subject to a lot of wear, and this particular gear knob completely split, cracked, broken in many places, and it was coming apart and it felt terrible. So I did the only sensible thing you can do. No, I did the contrary. I put sellotape around it and now it feels awful. I hate it. Now you can do two things. One is replace it, which is what I'm going to do because I've already ordered a cheap copy knockoff version from the famous online store. Or you can try to make something. You work your way around it, as my good friend Mr. Nicehearted did in his video, which I think I'll link because it's a good video. He used shrink tape or shrink wrap, whatever it's called, and sort of like sculpted a new ball part. Now, another alternative that I offer to solve this problem is a very simple one as well. It's a very, very quick fix today. You do need one thing though, and that's children that have grown up and have passed the age of being babies. Why? Because you need one of their socks. So you place the sock over like so. Very simple fix this. Roll it up. In my case, because I've got a sleeve here to put it into reverse. If you don't have this collar or sleeve, whatever one will call it, then whatever. And then I'm going to use some elastic band to hold it in place. Roll it around until it's nice and solid. And this feels a lot better actually. I've been doing... I've had this on my car for a couple of days now, to be perfectly honest. And it feels a lot better. And there are worse uses for a sock, especially for a bachelor on Valentine's Day. I've gone on long enough. If you made it this far, thank you very much indeed for watching. Thanks for putting up with all the silly jokes, and normal service will be resumed in the next video, I promise. I bid you all farewell.